Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a particular song to your playlist on the BandLab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the home icon down below and you should select from three options at the top of the screen. You are going to see that you have three possibilities, such as the following section, meaning that you are going to see all of those pieces of art or songs created by those artists that you are following on the BandLab. If you tap on the second option called trending, you will see the most popular songs trending this month. And if you choose the last option, the For You section, you are going to see songs and the works of those artists that are recommended to you based on your music style and preferences. So if you have found a song that you would like to add to your playlist, you need to tap on this three dots icon in the right side of the screen and then click on the button Add to Playlist. Now you should first create your playlist if you don't have any, so you should type in the name of it, press the button Create, thereby creating your playlist, and now you are ready to tap on it. So as you can see now, this song has been added to your playlist. So you can check your playlist by clicking on this map icon down below, which is the last option, and tap on the third option, Playlists. Here you are going to see all of your playlists. Right now I only have one. So click on it and then you are going to see all the items that are added to this section. You can see how many you have added to this list. You can also view the details of the song and even remove items by simply clicking on this three dots icon next to the song and by clicking on the Remove from Playlist icon, thereby getting rid of that song from your playlist. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.